Okay, so this thing right here is just similar figures and examples. Still same proportional idea, but similar figures and examples. So right here, we have two triangles. If they're similar, similar means, I'm gonna write on this little rim right here. Okay, congruent angles. Can y'all read that? Somewhat cursive and somewhat print. Okay. We're recording. Congruent angles and proportion. So finish that one. And then at the top, I want you to write proportional sides. Okay? So congruent angles and proportional sides. So, for example, they have this one already set up. So they're saying right here that y is 26 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that in right there and say it's 26 degrees. What does congruent angles mean? It means equal, okay? So if this angle is 90 degrees, then this angle is 90 degrees. If this angle is 26, then this is 26, okay? Remember, all three angles in a triangle should add up to 180. Now, proportional sides means scaled up or down. So like this is bigger than this one, so this should scale down, okay? Right here, or we could go vice versa, we could scale up. So we're solving for x, and they've already given us the answer. So let's check it. They're saying it's 22.5. So I'm going to solve for this one. Right here, we did this with colors back when we were doing it. Okay, so if I have, like, this is my yellow, this is the congruent matching one, and then this is my other blue. Okay, so I would say yellow over blue, right? Okay, so yellow would be x over 15, 15 over 10. So we're going to say x over 15, 15 over 10. Okay. Now, how do I solve this? I can scale up if I know it, but saying I don't know it, I would cross multiply. I would say 10x equals 15 times 15, which is what?
300.
No. It's 225.
Yeah, I knew that.
And why did you say it was 30?
He said 300.
Oh, who said 30?
Wow, he knows too.
It's 225. And then so, what do we do now? Divide both sides by 10. So x is going to equal 22.5. So, that's the answer they had on the front, right? Okay. So look at the next one. It says, what is the scale factor? Okay, scale factor, it means how big or how small it scales down to, okay? So, right here, it's going from here to here, okay? It's going from 52 to 13. The radius, remember, if they're proportional, then how do we find that? It's getting smaller, right? So they're saying it's 1/4, but how do we find that? How do we decide that? Okay. She said divide 52 by 13. Would anybody else? I would say new over original and then scale down from there. So if you divide by 13, you should get 1/4. And then, are the shapes similar here? So you're going to check. You're going to say, are they similar here? That means they have to have congruent angles. So 120, 120, 120, 120, 60, 60. And then we have to check these proportional sides. So we could check any of the sides. So I would say 33 over 11, 24 over 8. Let's see if that works. 33 over 11. Now, how do you check to see if things are proportional? What do? Do y'all remember? Cross multiply or in the butterfly and see if they're equal. Do y'all remember that? So you do 33 times 8. And you get 264. And then you do 24 times 11. And you get 264. So those numbers are equal, right? So that means it is proportional. Okay, so we're going to say yes. There. Then our last one is the same figure, but one's on its side. So if we were solving for x here, okay, we could set up a proportion. We could say radius over side, radius over side. They're trying to trick you and get you to put the side over the radius. But I would do radius over side equals 12 over 9, not 19, sorry. 12 over 9. And then 4 over x. Okay, what could I do here? I could scale down, okay, or I could cross multiply and solve. So if I scale down, let's divide by 3. Or I could say 12x equals 36. Divide by 12. And x is going to equal